Hello friends, if you want to earn money by playing game, then you can see if you play and test a game for 15 minutes, then you can earn 9 US dollars in 15 minutes. So if you play it for um, about 1 hour, then you can easily earn $36, and for 10 hours you can earn $360 easily. To do this, and you can get your earnings through PayPal account. So you have to come to this website playtestcloud.com, and you have to test new games, and then you will get paid. So you have to click on three lines and click on become a tester. So here you need to enter your information like email, full name, and which game do you wanna test, or from and here you need to select more information about you, male, female, date of birth, and from here you can register and start earning money. So if you like this video, press like button below this video, and if you have any other question you can ask in comments. Thanks for watching, and if you want more such videos, subscribe to this channel.